It's Michael vlog. This one is about nature again. I want to show you something. Right there. Don't know if you can see it, but right there, there's a freaking hole. Obviously. Woodpeckers. And I taped up that one. Probably shouldn't have, but I did. Because, you know, woodpeckers. But I'm gonna leave this hole, because there's freaking babies in the wall. The frickin' woodpecker had babies in the frickin' wall. I could tape it up, so the woodpeckers stop waking me up in the morning because they won't stop pecking at the wall. But I'm not. Because there's babies in there. 2 of them, and I'm not going to be the monster. I'm not going to just tape over the hole. They starve, they die, I win. Nah. Probably not every day. But I'm going to check the hole, and the second they're gone, I'm taping it up. Fucking birds, man. Unbelievable. They can't just find somewhere else. Nah, it's gotta be our house. So yeah. Oh, birds, man.